This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with safety and access. First, power down or use airplane mode so the screen won't react while you work. Place the watch face down on a microfiber cloth to prevent scratches and clear a small, well-lit area. Next, find the 2 release buttons along the watch lug grooves. You'll press and hold these to slide the strap out. Use one thumb to depress a release and the other to gently slide the strap horizontally until it clicks free, then repeat for the other side. Once both old straps are removed, inspect the watch rails and the new strap's metal inserts for dirt or damage. Cleaning with a soft brush helps. Now align the new strap so the orientation matches the watch. The buckle or clasp direction matters for comfort and lock security. Insert one end into the lug channel and then press the opposite end while keeping the rail straight. You should feel or hear a definitive click when seated correctly. If not, release and realign before forcing. Finish by wearing the watch and testing motion. Tighten to your usual fit, then move your wrist through typical actions to confirm the strap won't detach. If you notice any wobble, remove the strap and reseat it, checking for small debris or a bent pin that prevents full engagement. Make sure both sides click with equal firmness. If one side still fails, try a spare spring bar or flip the strap orientation and repeat. If problems persist, replace the rail or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.